What's this? What's this?
What am I watching, Aiden? What's Aiden gonna do? I'm watching you. Aiden, great job! You jumped!
I did jump!
You did jump!
I did it!
You didn't? Daddy, he says he didn't jump.
I did it!
I thought he did.
He did jump big several times earlier. Abby, stop, please.
I'm recording you, so.
Okay. You're clawing my back, goober.
Can you watch this?
Can Aaron watch Aiden jump?
Hey, Daddy, can Aaron see this?
Yeah, okay, Aaron's gonna watch. Sissy's gonna watch.
Okay, Aaron. Aaron!
Big one.
Great job, Aiden. Great job. Good job, buddy. You guys are all big swimmers. Look at the splasher over there.
I want Aaron to see this.
Yeah, he's choking you. Hi, Abby. You okay? Beautiful girl. Oh, that's real beautiful. How do you like school, Abby? Do you like school? Yeah? Do you have friends? Do you have friends at school? Please don't. Do you have friends at school?
Are you going to event?
Okay.
What was that?
Get it all wet, okay?
Come on,
I'm just trying to